Independent lighting over the large kitchen island. Got a built-in entertainment center, pre-wire for surround sound, gas fireplace, and here's your views. 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side. There's also a 2-car garage. Epoxy flooring, exit door and water softener. Decent sized rooms for all the rooms. This is the double vanity bathroom for this wing of the house. There's your views. Spacious laundry room. Master bedroom. The master bath needs a little updating. The cabinets are decent, but they have all cultured marble in here, so that shouldn't be too much of an undertaking to redo. Water closet, very spacious. Let's say 8 by 9 walk-in closet. Nice big room. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Here's your view out of the master bedroom. Green belt, fireplace, pool area, large covered patio. All pavers over here. Got this nice gas fireplace. Pretty prime little grill area. This little pad for a hot tub if you want to add one. There's your views out the back. We've got no neighbors behind you, and all the neighbors on either side of you are single levels, so you got plenty of privacy over here. Pool doesn't look that great. We had a dust storm, so it kind of trashed the pool, but decent size, spillover, nice side yard, big RV gate. And then downstairs to the basement. 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and then there's a massive kind of game room, great room, whatever you want to call it. Quite a bit of natural lighting down here. I don't have any of these lights on, except for the hall. They have a stub in here for a wet bar, so obviously you could have a pretty dialed setup. Pre-wire for TV, surround soundproof.